In today's COBB highlight, we show off the Subaru Redline Carbon Fiber Intake Grill Scoop for the 2022 Plus WRX. This scoop essentially takes the function of the factory air ducting that's tucked under the hood and extends it all the way to the very front of the grill with a nice wide opening to directly consume that fresh rush of ambient air, which ensures that you get optimal airflow and temperatures making their way into the air box. As with all of our Redline products, it's constructed from top-tier materials. The entire air scoop is made up of complete carbon fiber with a 2x2 twill weave pattern and a thick gloss coating to protect from damage or discoloration while giving it a smooth shine. It also features the COBB logo in large letters debossed on the top, which of course means that it matches perfectly with the full catalog of other carbon fiber Redline parts for the COBB WRX, like our Redline engine and fuse box covers or the carbon fiber fender shrouds. And of course, everybody wants at least 2 scoops when they buy ice cream, so naturally, you gotta drop the COBB Redline Power Scoop with the Grill Scoop into your WRX to complete the FA24 Double Scoop combo. All of that makes the COBB Redline Carbon Fiber Intake Grill Scoop for the 2022 Plus WRX a great modification to start with, or to add to your growing build list. They're available for you to scoop up right now at cobbtuning.com.